Every day, a large amount of food waste is generated in cities. How to handle it efficiently and environmentally friendly has become an important issue for the catering industry and urban management. Togo. We have been specializing in kitchen environmental protection equipment for 18 years, possessing a 6,000 square meter production factory and a wide range of product categories. It is widely used in scenarios such as restaurants, hotels, and school canteens. Focus on converting food waste into non-polluting organic fertilizers or usable fuels. Assist customers in achieving on-site treatment of kitchen waste and reducing transportation costs. Simultaneously, enhance the level of environmental protection management. Promote resource recycling with green technology, green treatment, low carbon future. Welcome to inquire about cooperation.